Hey guys, I'm Jonas, and in this video I'm going to show you an ultimate upsell strategy that I've applied to my Shopify store, and it's really going to help you to maximize your profits with no additional advertising costs. So this technique that I'm about to show you is just gold. As most people, I started my Shopify business as a one-product store, and my product was a disinfecting spray gun that allows you to disinfect your surrounding. But in order to upsell and in order to maximize my profits, I decided to add a second product. The upsell product should be cheaper than the main product that you are selling, and it should also make sense that you sell both products together. To give you an example, let's look what Apple is doing. And if you go on the Apple website and try to purchase an iPhone, you can see that Apple is trying to upsell their iPhones with phone cords, iPhone cases, and other iPhone equipment, and I'm sure it's working extremely well for them. The upsell products are priced a lot lower than the main product that they are focusing on, which is the iPhone, and it's priced around $1,000. And guys, since I was selling a disinfecting spray gun, I decided to upsell with the disinfectant, and here are my results. I was able to sell my disinfecting spray gun 1900 times, but I was also able to sell my upsell product 778 times. I never spent any money to advertise my upsell product on Facebook, Google, or whatsoever. I only advertised it on my website, which is basically free, so there were no ad costs. And from selling 778 units of my upselling product, I made an additional profit of around $10,000, which I wouldn't have had otherwise. So guys, it's extremely worth it. So if you have a one product store at the moment, think of products that are a lot cheaper than your main product and that also makes sense to sell to the same customer. There are really so many opportunities. For instance, if you sold wine, you can upsell with wine glasses and so on. It's really not so hard to find a good upsell product. In order to make your upsell successful, you should use the Shopify app CandyRack One-Click Upsell. I've installed this app on my Shopify store, and here's what it does. When somebody adds my product to cart, this banner pops up: get our recommended EPA approved disinfectant. And the customer just needs to click on the add button and the product is added to cart. And this is such an easy way to increase your average order value and to really maximize your profits. As you can see here in the analytics section, the take rate for the upsell product is 14%, which is actually really good. Here's how you set up CandyRack One-Click Upsell, and don't worry guys, it's super easy. At first you're gonna choose your main product. In my case, it's gonna be the disinfecting spray gun, and I'm gonna add some text for the banner. And I decided to go for the description: eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria efficiently. And then you click on specific products and select your upsell product. But of course, before you have to create a product page for your upsell product, but this is super easy. I'm sure you will figure it out. And last but not least, make sure add to cart button click is checked and you're good to go. And guys, you are done. It's so easy and so effective as smashing the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.